Oh, so here it is. Well, this is my garage. As you can see, got crap everywhere. Can't even walk inside it right now. Yeah. There's the crane, small weld pack, transmissions, engines just laying everywhere. See the back, there's crap just piled up. This is the Civic hatchback. It's a 92. This is the project. Another engine down there somewhere. There's just needs to be organized. But slowly but surely, this is the one that came out. This is the one that's going in. This one was smoking, so it's gonna need new rings and stuff. So probably it's a B18B. Oh no, this is the B18A. Probably can't see that. But this thing, I think I'm just gonna put away and save for a CRX or an EF hatchback or something. This is actually the B18B. So this one came off a 95, I believe. Yep, 95. And this is what's going in my hatchback. So with this one, I'll be able to get it barred in California, the fun state for smog. So yeah. So LS engine, LS transmission. Gonna keep it stock. It's gonna be a daily commuter, so it should be a lot better than the D series that was in it. This is the VX model. So actually, when I got this car, they had already done this B18A swap on it with like motor mounts that were like welded and hacked up. So I took it all apart and I'm gonna do it right. Gonna have it barred. So it's a fun little project. It's got a lot of work to it too. Also, it needs a lot of body work, needs some interior work. But it was fairly cheap, so you know, what the hell. So I'll keep you posted. There's my engine stand. And I'll get all this cleaned up, and I'll probably do a video of me dropping this into it. So till next time.